Okay. Now we're starting to put it back together again. I greased this in here and greased up these bearings and greased on the bottom side of this gear. Inside of here is the worm gear. This has to slide into worm gear like so on top of that bearing. And we'll grease this up good. Main problem that it had before was the grease was so old that it was really getting stuck inside the housing. It's just really cruddy. So I'll put some new grease in here. Okay, I'll slide this inside of here. So the key slides in. And just bring it down until it's just out of the end just a little bit. And I'll take this part, screw it down in there. Okay. All right. Now.
Excuse me, boss. You have a text message.
Okay. Put that on there. There we go. Okay, now that we have the bearing, now get the bearing in place. Put the race over that. Over that we'll put the spring. Okay. Now take the top section and we'll fill that up with some grease, and then we'll screw that down over that. Okay, we got it all greased up inside good. Got the worm gear greased up. Got grease inside of here. Try and stick it on there. See if we can get it to start screwing down in there. Okay. got that started. Next thing we'll do is put the washer on. And then the vinyl sleeve. The end cap. And we got the very end that rides on the outdrive to raise it up. It's got a little lock washer on it. That screws into the very bottom. Okay, that's basically back together. Just need to tighten everything up good and she'll be ready to put back in. It's in the boat. We'll put the electronic box back on the top and we'll give it a try. So hopefully this will help somebody. I know I didn't have anything to go by until I got the thing out on the last one I did, so I know it's handy if you can see somebody else do it. So anyway, that's what we got.